So this is how you differentiate a function. So when you look at the function over here, we can determine this is a quadratic function, which means that we have to use the quadratic formula, which would be a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, not plus, minus squared minus 2ab plus b squared, okay? And so with this formula, what you want to do is you just want to plug in these numbers into here. 3 will represent A, 7 represent B. It's just like the one on the left and then the one on the right whenever you're using this formula. So A squared is going to be 3t squared minus 2 times 3t times negative 7 plus negative 7 squared. And then we have to simplify this down. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3t its factor, which would be 9t squared, and then subtract it by these values multiplied together, which is 42t, and then minus 49, which is what this value is. So the reason why we have 9t squared is because you need a factor in this scenario. So now that we have 9t squared minus 42t minus 49, it's not our answer because when you're differentiating the function, we're trying to find the derivative. So to find the derivative, you just want to multiply these front numbers by the square. And so that would equal 18. But notice how when I write 18, I don't put a square because when you multiply it by a square, you don't include it afterward. So if you follow this same rule, 42 would just be alone because you're just getting rid of the variable, and then 49, it just wouldn't even exist because there is no variable, so after that it's 0. So you learned that rule, and so the answer is 18t minus 4.